The controversy surrounding Conor McGregor took a major turn with the conclusion of a civil sexual assault case on November 22, 2024. A Dublin jury found the MMA star liable for the assault of Nikita Hand, which reportedly occurred in December 2018. This case was one of the most closely watched legal battles involving a high-profile athlete, bringing both praise for survivors' courage and questions about the justice system's handling of celebrity cases. Let's start at the beginning. Conor McGregor, a global MMA icon, was accused in 2021 of brutally assaulting Hand in a Dublin hotel room after meeting her at a holiday party. According to court documents, Hand was intoxicated at the time, making her vulnerable. She claimed that McGregor subjected her to violent acts that left her with both physical and psychological trauma, including PTSD. Hand's allegations also implicated one of McGregor's friends, though the jury ultimately found him not liable. The court's decision to hold McGregor accountable in the civil suit led to an award of €250,000 in damages, approximately $257,000 USD. This outcome has sparked significant public debate, especially as McGregor vehemently denied the allegations, branding Hand a vicious liar in a series of heated posts on X, formerly Twitter. He has since announced plans to appeal the ruling, claiming key evidence and witness testimonies were ignored by the court. This verdict is not McGregor's first brush with the law over similar accusations. Over the years, multiple allegations of sexual misconduct have been leveled against him, painting a troubling pattern. However, he has consistently fought to clear his name, and his legal team has often succeeded in having charges dismissed or reduced. Supporters of McGregor argue that his wealth and fame make him an easy target for opportunistic lawsuits. They point to the jury's dismissal of claims against his friend as evidence that the case had flaws. Others, including advocates for survivors of sexual violence, see this as a landmark case in holding powerful men accountable, regardless of their celebrity status. The implications of this case extend beyond McGregor. Nikita Hand's willingness to pursue justice, despite immense pressure, has been praised by survivor advocates. The Dublin Rape Crisis Centre called the verdict a positive step forward, highlighting the importance of believing survivors and supporting them through the judicial process. However, McGregor's reaction has been anything but conciliatory. His public statements since the verdict accuse the court of bias and mismanagement. He maintains his innocence and vows to fight this decision in higher courts, a process that could take months, if not years. Meanwhile, Hand has expressed relief at the outcome and hopes her case will inspire others to speak out. For McGregor, the consequences of this case could extend beyond financial penalties. While civil cases don't involve criminal convictions, the court of public opinion may prove more damaging. Already, brands and sponsors associated with him are facing pressure to reevaluate their partnerships. The MMA community, too, is grappling with what this means for one of its most marketable stars. As this legal saga unfolds, it forces us to ask difficult questions about power, accountability, and justice. McGregor's case serves as a reminder of the complexity of sexual assault allegations, particularly when high-profile figures are involved. Conor McGregor's fight is far from over. The appeal process and the ongoing debates surrounding this case will keep it in the public eye. Whether you see him as a victim of opportunism or a symbol of unchecked privilege, one thing is clear: this story is far from reaching its final chapter. If you found this deep dive insightful, don't forget to subscribe to the Crime Chrono YouTube channel. Here, we cover the raw truths, controversies, and stories that shape our world. Let's uncover history together. Subscribe to Crime Chrono today.